Everyone, it's Natasha here at Emblem Ford. I'm here today to show you how to schedule your next service appointment through the FordPass app. Start by opening your app, click on Vehicle Details, schedule a service. First, make sure that you've chosen Emblem Ford. Schedule a service. Select your vehicle. Choose the service that you wish to have done. Today I'm going to choose Quick Service. Next, I will drop off my vehicle. I will drop it off business hours. And then you have a choice of choosing your appointment. You get to see where we have availabilities. So let's go for, I want to schedule on Monday. We'll schedule at 8 a.m. because I'll drop off my vehicle before work. Next, you'll enter your information and then book an appointment. Easy peasy, it's as simple as that. The appointment is confirmed. So once your appointment is confirmed through the FordPass app, you should receive an email that gives you all the information regarding your appointment. So it will confirm the day and time, and then it will thank you for scheduling the appointment. It will allow you to modify or cancel your appointment if needed, to contact us with any questions, and it gives you the information on the requested services that you've asked for. So I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, and don't forget, Emblem Ford is right around the corner. Give us a call for any of your needs.